let's take a look at how to do the Unit 1A review worksheet. First of all, this is matter. And matter is made up of several categories. You can find these categories here in your notes from earlier this week. Next, are each of these a homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture? A homogeneous mixture looks like one thing or more than one thing. Well, remember, a homosexual couple dates the same sex, and a homogeneous mixture looks like the same all the way through. Therefore, this looks like one thing. A heterogeneous mixture is, you can remember a heterosexual couple dates the different sex, and a heterogeneous mixture looks like different things. So it looks like more than one thing. So Italian salad dressing has all these little bits of spices and stuff in it. You have to shake it because it separates out. So it looks like you can see the different parts in the salad dressing. Therefore, it is a heterogeneous mixture. Keep going, putting a check in the box for each of these items. Next, is a substance a substance or a mixture? A substance is a pure substance. It has one ingredient. A mixture is two things mixed together, two or more, so it has more than one ingredient. If you have a single compound, a single formula, then it is going to be a substance. If the atoms are mixed together into a single formula, even though you have different atoms shown by two different capital letters, they are still mixed into one single formula, so this is a substance. Now, if they are separated, hydrogen and oxygen, and they are not chemically reacted together, then that would be a mixture. You finish up the rest of these. An element or a compound, an element has one or more than one type of atom. Well, an element is just one type of atom. So there will be one capital letter. A compound has two or more elements. Therefore, there will be multiple capital letters. So, in hydrogen, there is a single capital letter. Yes, there are two hydrogen atoms, but it still is just pure hydrogen, so it is an element. However, here, when you have a capital H and a capital O, that's two different elements, hydrogen and oxygen, and so that is a compound. Be careful, a capital and a lowercase means that that's still the same element. In fact, this is cobalt, not carbon and oxygen, which is what two capital letters are. So there's just a single capital letter, so this is a single element. Then, as we were saying, there are two capital letters, so there are two atoms, two types of atoms, therefore this is a compound. Finally, you need to tell whether something, describe the characteristics of a solution, colloid, and suspension. To do that, look at the second page of your notes, and there is the information about solutions, colloids, and suspensions. And you will use that to answer these questions. Don't forget about the one at the bottom here. Hope you have a great day. Let me know if you have any more questions.